taking you on the journey of how I cook my beans with corn. So, and also my plantain, fried plantain. So these are the list of ingredients I already have prepared. The pepper, the corn itself, the beans, onions, and the beans. So I cook my beans thoroughly by adding a lot of onions to make it softer. So, and I cover to allow it to cook very well. And just leave for at least 30 minutes boiling. Then I go on to wash my corn and also cook in water and leave it to cook like about 45 minutes. And at this point I've already added the beans, cooked beans mixed with the corn, and I stir and stay allowed to cook very well. I add my salt, to make it to taste. Then at this point I've added my palm oil, then also still continue to cook, still continue to cover to make it soft and mix very well. Then my pepper, yes, I added my pepper to it, the well pepper. Then I continue to cook. This will require a lot of time to cook. Then I go ahead to fry my plantain. And here it is ready. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.